9,000 of these little product cards. A whole giant cabinet full of freshly coated screens. 10 of them. Hey guys, top of the morning to you. Today, I am traveling to Dublin for work. Pretty cool, huh? And of course, by Dublin, I mean Dublin, North Carolina. Of course. See if we can see some of our handiwork from the road here. Ooh, a lot of window perf at this school. All right, you guys, this is gonna be a massive perf job. That building, all the way in the background, all the way around that building, all the way around that building right there, and then all the way around this building here, plus a little bit of one other building. So quite the large job. I have been out here for hours just measuring windows. You can see here, this is how I kind of map everything out. Grid everything. I also get the in-between measurements. On this building, it was quite easy because it's brand new windows, and the grid, this is essentially 2.25 inches all the way around. Although for these windows here, I'm gonna have to get the in-between measurements for all of those. Although I think we're just doing a simple pattern design, so it's not really gonna matter if it flows well throughout, so we'll see. The cosmetology building over there might get a lot more flair to it. Everything else will be patterned. Oh my God, guys, it took 5 hours to measure all those windows. Hopefully, it was worth my while. All right, got a little PVC sign kit that hopefully will fit my 10mm sign. They say it will, so we'll see. We're going to raise this up, slide her in, boom. Just enough where we can raise that bad boy. We did put a little half bag of concrete over there for each hole. Nope, too tight. There we go. Slide this in there. Number 8's the last shirt, so when it gets here and the shirt shows up on the screen, there's the shirt. I'm gonna hit finish. Boom. I hope you guys know I just knocked over most of my morning coffee this morning for the sake of shooting a video. I hope you guys appreciate that. Okay.